Electric bikes have been gaining popularity in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. Most people don't like the idea of pedaling their bikes around all day, nor do they want to keep up with maintenance, such as chain oiling and tire rotation. Electric bikes allow you to travel without expending the effort that traditional biking requires, while still getting the exercise your body needs and some of the freedom that riding a bike allows. If you're looking to buy an electric bike, you have come to the right place. Electric bikes are becoming more and more popular and are available in a wide range of options that can cater to every person and their specific needs or wants. But when looking at all the options out there, it can be difficult to determine which bike would be the best choice for you. In this video, we'll take you through 7 of the best electric bikes on the market today, as well as why they have made it on our list. First in the list is MercedesAMG Petronas. The MercedesAMG Petronas electric bike will revolutionize the way we think about bicycles, as well as how we commute to work every day. With 0 emissions and a top speed of 30 miles per hour, this bike makes traveling without hassles more enjoyable than ever before. Whether you use it to ride to work or school, or just keep it in your garage as an emergency backup in case of inclement weather, this revolutionary electric bike is perfect for any occasion. This bike is a high-performance, eco-friendly bike that is perfect for those who love to ride fast and look good doing it. This bike features a powerful motor and battery, making it perfect for both city commuting and weekend rides. Plus, with its sleek design and range of colors, this electric bike is sure to turn heads wherever you go. This electric bike is a sleek and stylish mode of transportation that's perfect for getting around town. Next in the list is Honbike. Electric bikes are great for a lot of things. They get you where you're going faster than a traditional bike, cut through traffic faster than a car, and are more fun than both. But the downside is that they can often be rather chunky looking. Some are even downright chonks, but not the Honbike U4, as this is one new e-bike that looks so sleek and elegant that you'd never guess it had an electric motor or battery on board. The Honbike U4 has a simplistic and unisex design, making it ideal for urban use and perfect for every user. The sleek frame is ultra-lightweight, yet rigid, thanks to the use of 7000 series aircraft-grade aluminum instead of the more common 6000 series aluminum we see in most bicycles. The bike is powered by a built-in 432 watt-hour battery. Honbike says the U4 can get an honest 62 miles or 100 kilometers of range from that battery. For those that want more power and can sacrifice a bit of range, the Honbike U4 has 2 other power settings that are likely to give you a bit more push. Now comes Cyclotron, world's first hubless smart bicycle. The Cyclotron is equipped with 2 spokeless wheels. It is the world's first commercially available bike using this technology. The Cyclotron is fully connected, packed with tons of innovative features, and controlled by the powerful Cyclo app. The Cyclotron bike is made of space-grade carbon fiber composite, which makes it rigid, stiff, and ultra-lightweight at the same time. It features a high-tech 18-speed electronic gearbox, onboard sensors to track your ride. The Cyclotron is a carbon fiber bike with glowing hubless wheels. Shod with solid polymer tires, the lack of spokes reduces the rotating mass and also makes the design much more aerodynamic. The hollow portion of the wheels can also be used as storage space. A lithium-ion battery powers the LED lights inside the wheels and red safety lamps at the rear, along with laser path projectors and the smart features of the bike. A dedicated smartphone app provides real-time battery updates, navigation, ride data, and a unique GPS function which can automatically report an accident or locate the bike if it's lost or stolen. The future of the bicycle has come with the Cyclotron bike. Its combination of smart features and a futuristic, lightweight design makes it a truly impressive bike from the future. This is Gocycle, the foldable electric bike. This bike is perfect for those who want to be eco-friendly and get around town without all the hassle. Riding the Gocycle means getting more exercise without even realizing it. One of the best features of the Gocycle is that it's foldable, making it easy to store and transport. The bike also has a 3-hour battery life and an adjustable handlebar, so almost anyone can ride it. And at just 17 pounds, it is as light as some traditional bikes. With its sleek design and awesome features, this bike may be just what your urban commute needs. It also has a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to carry up flights of stairs or over curbs. The Gocycle folds up in seconds, so you can take it with you on your commute or bring it inside when you're done riding. And because this is an electric bike, it's super easy to ride. Just hop on and start pedaling. You don't need any gears to change like you would on a traditional bike. Plus, you'll never have to worry about carrying keys since there's no chain to keep track of. This bicycle really does seem like something out of the future. Meet Revo. The hubless bike Revo is billed as the future of transportation and combines an incredibly sleek design with all the features of your average commuter bike, including LED headlights, front suspension, and 7 gears. Revo is a new type of electric bike that doesn't have a traditional wheel hub. This makes it lighter and more efficient than other electric bikes on the market. Weighing in at only 33 pounds, this sleek e-bike can go up to 20 miles per hour and will last up to 30 miles on one charge. There's no need for keys with the Revo. Just enter your fingerprint and you'll be on your way. Its motion detector detects the touch and gives theft alert via phone call. And with GP's tracking system, you'll always know where your Revo is. Simply download the app onto your phone and you'll have access to its real-time location. You can even set up geofences around locations you frequently visit to get alerts when your bike has crossed over those lines. Never worry about forgetting where you parked again, because with the Revo, you never need to leave home without it. Revo is equipped with autonomous lights that help you see and be seen while riding. The headlight automatically turns on when it gets dark, and the taillight turns on when you brake, making it easier and safer for you to ride at night. If you're looking for an electric bike that's different from the rest, the Revo is a great option. This hubless bike has a unique design and is perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd. Now comes Trifecta. Trifecta RDR Tech e-bike has been designed and engineered with the goal of being accessible to anyone looking to experience the fun and health benefits of electric cycling. Its unique 2-step pedal assist system, combined with its state-of-the-art Bosch Performance Line CX motor, makes it easy to use and ride under any condition. With an e-bike like this, you can enjoy all the benefits of electric cycling without having to worry about what gear you're in or whether you're pedaling efficiently enough. The Trifecta RDR is a high-performance, long-range electric bike that's built for both on- and off-road riding. It has a powerful motor that can take you up to speeds of 28 miles per hour and a battery that gives you a range of up to 100 miles. Plus, it's equipped with features like full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 7-speed Shimano gear set. The first thing you'll notice about the Trifecta RDR is its cool design. Unlike most bikes out there which come in only one color or style, this model offers 4 different color options: black, white, red, or silver. The bike also has a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest electric bikes on the market. The digital display shows you current speed, distance traveled, and how much charge is left on the battery, as well as 5 levels of pedal assist, so you can customize your ride as needed. Last in the list is Vanmove. Having one of the best bikes around just got even better, with the Vanmove S5 and a 5 electric bike, bringing you the power to go anywhere, at any time, and on your own terms. These bikes are designed to be sleek, powerful, and stylish, and with the Vanmove app, you can control your ride from your phone from anywhere in the world. Whether you're looking to commute to work or just wanting to explore the countryside and get some exercise, an electric bike is definitely the way to go. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles, it's perfect for commuting or running errands. It also comes with lights and automatic shifting, so you can stay safe and in control. They're fast, they're fun, and they're environmentally friendly. And with a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, you can go further than ever before. So whether you're commuting to work or exploring your city, the Vanmove S5 and a 5 are the perfect way to get around. So, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.